Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install Docker in Windows. Installing Docker in Windows is simple and easy. So first you have to simply get to its website. You have to just simply search for Docker on your browser. From the result, you can just simply get to its website. Once you're into its website, this will be the first interface that you will see. This is how the website looks. So now from all these options here you can see on this page we have this option which is download Docker desktop. You can click onto it and here we have two options for Windows, the beta one and the simple one. You can go with anyone. I'm going with the beta, and after that the downloading will start. Once it gets downloaded you can just simply open the file and it will get installed in your system. Later on you can use it and you can see this is its interface. This is how it will look like. As you can see, it was very simple to install it in your system, and that's how you could do it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.